Hey guys, and welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I will show you what the Matsato Japanese chef knife is and what it offers and how basically to use it. So let's get started. According to the official websites, Matsato websites or the Matsato Japanese chef knife is a Japanese inspired chef knife device or designed to use for everyday kitchen tasks such as slicing, chopping, dicing, and carving. The company says that it combines some traditional Japanese knife making inspiration with some modern manufacturing techniques to provide precision, durability, and control for both home cooks and professional chefs. So on their website, as you can see, you can shop for the Matte Saturn knives or shop for all knives. If you click on shop all knives, as you can see, you may find many different knives. So the popular one, as you can see, the chef's knives, sticks, as an example, or Austrian, as it's called here, the clever knife and the pocket knife, as an example, and the premium knife. So for you, you can choose whatever you want as example, and it's up to you choose the one that you want. Of course, there's packages, although according to the website, they have the one package, the two package knife, three knives together, and four knives together. And also, you can add some other knives if you want to. According to the website and the description, as you can see, some of its key facts, it has some quality stainless steel, roasted bench wood handle, original Masato or Matsato products, and all-purpose shaft knife entry-level classic line. For the specifications, as you can see, you may find the blade length, total length, the weight, the blade, and the handle. And of course, here you will find any information according to the website related to the shipping and return, so you can have it shipping within 24 hours from the US warehouses, and for the US own journal it can be from 7 to 9 business days, and for international it will be from 10 to 18 business days. And of course, for the returns, you have 60 days return policy, and one, if you return it, as example, from the first day to 16th date, you'll have full refund and you will cover the return shipping though. Of course, if you scroll down, you can see it's in action. You may see reviews. You may see as example what it's designed for, and you can see why thousands as example choose the Masato knife, and you can see like videos on how to use it. At the bottom, you will find the frequently asked questions. So if you have one of those questions that you may, as an example, want to ask you before ordering, you may find this here and you can see the answer. Pause the video and read the answer. You'll find here reviews, as you can see, of other people as well, and also other knives. If you have other questions that may not be included in the contact us section, or the frequently asked section, you can click on contact here at the bottom and you'll be able to enter your information and enter your comment as an example, and they will contact you back. So if you like the knife, as you can see, with all the features that comes with it, you can read it from the website right here. You can buy it by simply clicking on add cart right here. Since it will be added, you can go to the secure checkout. And according to the website, you'll just have to enter your shipping information, choose the payments method, and you should be good to go. You can then, of course, follow any on-screen instructions according to the website. Each order has includes or also includes a digital recipe book. As you can see, it comes per default and for free with any knife. So you can get that for free with any knife. So some of the important things that's mentioned also here on the website, that's basically after use, you will have to wash the knife by hand with a mild soap and water, dry it basically before storing it, and avoid leaving it soaking in water for long periods to help maintain the blade and wooden handle. And according to the website's proper care help preserve the knife performance over time, so it will stay with you sharp for a long period. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.